with Piano Beloso Music Studio, and we're here today to talk about how to get started with online lessons. When I'm teaching online lessons, I typically have my laptop sitting up here on top of the piano, and the reason why is because there's a webcam that's facing me, and then you and I can talk directly just like we're face-to-face right now, and you can see my face, and that's pretty much the same as like if you're doing FaceTime or you're talking to someone on your smartphone with a video chat. In piano lessons, though, we don't just need to see our faces and talk to each other, we also need to see the keys. So although you can kind of see the keys right now, it's not the same as what you need to see when you're actually taking lessons. You need more detail. So I have a second camera up here above the keyboard, and during the lesson online, I can switch that camera so that you can see the keys and my fingers and see the details of what's happening on the keyboard at the right time. Now, if you want that set up too, so that I can see both your face and see your hands on the keyboard, well, that's great. I can tell you maybe later if you contact me offline and I can show you how to set that up. But for today's video, we're actually not going to cover that. What I'm going to try to show you instead is what's the best possible setup if you just have one device with a single camera. So that could be, for instance, a laptop just sitting beside your piano like this, and the webcam is facing the keys, but you're also in the picture and I can see both you and I can see the keys. Another scenario is if you have a tablet like an iPad or a smartphone, you can use either one of those as well in the online lesson. So we're going to cover all of those today. Let's get right to it.